is Kayla getting out of her car in her cute little scarf and her Ugg boots and her skinny jeans. And she just dropped her Burt's Bees chapstick. Dun dun dun! What was that? We are walking around.
And it's cold.
And it's freezing. It's so cold.
And the snowstorm hit a week ago.
And it's gonna hit again.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. That is my neighbor.
Here, smile. What? Oh, Pike's just on the cord.
Oh, that would make sense. Kayla says it's cold out.
Oh,
Probably because it is.
Okay, now smile. Oh, that took such a cute picture.
Ouch, I want to see it. Oh, my cell phone! Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, it's all good. Oh, I'm still videoing.
I know you got all the oh no's in there.
That's so cool! That's so cool!
I could have got my coat out, but I didn't. See, I'm so scared.